Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances. In this session, we are reviewing records for the Sindh ET&NC. This agency manages Infrastructure Development SES Exemptions, NTN/FTN waivers, and releases bank guarantee. Tap on Infrastructure Development SES Exemption Waiver. Here, you can view all listing records. Use the search bar to find a specific entry, Sindh ET&NC, then tap on a record to view its full details. If you need to start a new application, look for the Create CESS Exemption/Waiver option right here in the list view. To check waivers against NTN or FTN, go back and select that option. You can search through the listings and tap any record to see the specific details Sindh ET&NC of that waiver. Just like the previous section, you can also initiate a new CESS exemption or waiver request directly from this page. Finally, navigate back and select Release Bank Guarantee. This page lists all your relevant records. Search for your specific Sindh ET&NC file and tap it to open the detailed view. If you need to submit a new request, simply tap the Create a Release Bank Guarantee Request button to begin the process.